First of all, read the question. Okay, according to question, a block is released from rest at the given position, okay, such that the maximum compression of the spring is also equal to the height h, to the capital H. Then find the spring constant. Okay, our motto to find is spring constant. Okay, so how can do it? Here question given. So what about initial velocity of the block? That is, initial velocity is 0. Clear or not? If you see here, initial velocity is given, that is 0. Okay, at maximum compression, initial final velocity also 0. Clear? Now during motion, corresponding question given, that is capital H, and our maximum compression is also capital H. Okay, is given like that one. So if you take in potential energy, we have at that point, that is 0. Okay, we have let PE this be equal to 0 at maximum compression. At maximum compression, potential energy is 0. Okay, now apply conservation of mechanical energy. Conservation of mechanical energy. Conservation of mechanical energy is kinetic energy of that point plus kinetic energy of potential energy of that point and potential. Okay, the sum of these two, this will be equal to sum of here at final position, kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, now kinetic energy of the block is Ki, potential energy of the block at what about, that is due to gravity Vig. Okay, now last one, what about due to spring constant, what about potential energy, that is initial potential energy like that one, and now here final kinetic energy like that one, final potential energy of due to gravity, final potential energy of the spring. Okay, so now look here, initial velocity is 0, block of initial velocity that is 0, so that's why 0 written here. Okay, total height of the block from that position, that is 2h, so potential energy of the block mg into 2h due to gravity. Now what about spring in natural position, if block is here, then what about spring position, that is natural position. So in natural, if spring in natural position, then what about kinetic energy, what about potential energy of the spring, that is 0. Now if at final position, look here, at final position kinetic energy of the block, that is 0 because of maximum compression. Okay, so this one is 0. Now what about potential, what is potential energy of the due to gravity at point, that is 0. Why? Because we have taken reference point, that's why. And what about spring potential energy, that is half k into maximum compression, that is h, that is capital H. So half k into capital H. After solving we got k this is equal to 4 mg divided by capital H is the final answer. If any doubt, then comment it.